Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing September Patreon 2024 Part 4. We will be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing need. If you do enjoy the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. All the links for that we're looking at will be down in the description below as well. Okay, Ruben. This is a figure, a very nice one. This month will be Miss Kobayashi. And also we got Ellen Joe as well. That looks really good. I wish I just saved up because I printed Ellen Joe because then you get the bikini version of it as well. A nice rack. I think she's going to take another break. I really don't know. But she'll send me the link when it's done. But anyhow, yeah. Really highly recommend it. Han H is another figure one as well. It will be these two. Let's see, which one is that? Kita and Maldena Pyre. I think this one's from Marvel DC. I think this is from one of the Disney movies. I really don't remember, but those two figures are for this month. Nuka's art, another figure one as well. I'm trying to figure out if I can make it bigger. Oh. There's sound, so we can make this full screen. Take it out. We got Katarina, another good figure. She's just released now, and we got let's see here, Marin Katagawa. Oh, this is from Dress Up Darling. We have which one is this? Rey Skywalker. The last three Skywalker Star Wars movie wasn't that great. Elsa, busty Elsa. Interested in that. We also got Van Helsing, very lewd Van Helsing, female Van Helsing. We also got Power from Chainsaw Man, really big, going down slowly. This one is, which one is this one? V. I don't know what that game. Jesse from Team Rocket. So we got Karlak, nice looking Karlak one. I already printed my Karlak. You guys already saw it on the shorts for Boa Hancock, and that'll be it for this month. That's coming up for it. The Dragon's Tapper's Lodge. I don't know what more we're getting on here. We're getting, let's see, Dungeons Classic 1 and Champions of the Critter Folk Part 1. So, Dungeon Classic 1. I'm guessing they're doing AD&D style, creatures they're bringing back. Like the owlbear. Did that really look like an owlbear? It has a really long beak for it. If you don't have the AD&D books, look at it. I have no idea what kind of dragon this is. It's pretty small too, I believe. Huh. Interesting. If you guys know, let me know. There's a wolf. There's a beholder with 4 eyes. There's more than that. There's a regular skeleton warrior. Not that bad. We have an orc with 2 heads of human heads, looks like it. That's a pretty good looking orc, to tell you the truth. Got an ogre. We have a red wizard. Those are assholes. That looks like to be a necromancer. We have looks like a fighter or a paladin. Warhorse. Looks like a orc warrior. I don't know. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Oh, I know that thing's in the Underdark. I forgot what it's called. Goblin. Lots of goblin. You have a flaming skull. That's a classic. Also very annoying. So you have a druid. And a tree looks like wrapping around his body. That looks like a doppelganger. I think that's a doppelganger. Yeah. It's a doppelganger. Bugbear. That's a good looking bugbear. I do like that a lot. Now you have the Champions of the Creator Part 1. So these are like mouse miniatures. I think there's also a book about these as well. Well, yeah, we got a bear, warrior, little mouse lancer running on a bird. I wonder how small these miniatures going to be, because if it's going to be really small, it's going to be a pain in the ass to paint. Especially the print too for that small. I am looking to upgrade my printer, but I don't have the money to do so right now. But hopefully one day I will be able to. But yeah, these are pretty cute. Very, very cute. Next, Nom Nom figures. This will be your past one. This is going to be now. We got Akaha, Lugia, Doomguy, A2, and Levy. And you have your bonus one that if you get for this month, Oliver, Mangaria, Misty, and Yuji for it. So this will be your this month. So you also get last month as well for the recap version of it, letting you guys know. Phenomenal figure, very good figures. Daybreak miniatures. Let's see what we got here. Sneak peek for September. Looks like we're getting undeads. I do like my undeads. Oh yeah. But I have too many freaking undeads. That's why I've been painting so far out of freaking everything. I'm painting so many undeads, but these undeads looks really good too. They make some pretty good stuff. Especially, one whole thing would be nothing but skeleton or paladins or minotaurs and so forth, and they do a pretty good job doing that as well. But yeah. Next one, Val Victus miniature. They do some proxies for Old World and Age of Sigmar. I'll let you guys know. Looks like we got some ghouls slash townsmen, I believe. I think these will be part of your grave diggers set. Okay, we got some grave diggers. Is this for? That's August. I don't think they got the full ones out yet. I think you got grave diggers and a couple of these guys that's coming in for the September 5th for it. Well, check them out. I don't know if SwanNet 3D is doing anything anymore. June, they haven't really posted anything since June. Put them out. They haven't released anything for September yet. They just released this one really late. I know that. Village of Hope. I don't think they post stuff anymore, but they still give out miniatures. Even though I apply for them, I got a lot of miniatures still left every month for it. So it's kind of weird. But yeah, I think they're just doing by Discord or something. Titan Forge miniatures. I think we're getting Nurgles. More Nurgles is great. Let's see here. So we got some T-Rex, Undead, Zombie T-Rex. Looks like we got some, I think that's Karlach. We got some, looks like Halflings, Halflings. We got a Spellcaster. We got some little clownish looking Nurgle thing. The Great Unclean one with the bell. Everything else for that. And we got some orcs. These you can actually use for your old proxies for your Old World or Age of Sigmar for that. So that's actually pretty good too. Yeah, that looks pretty damn cool. I do like the Unclean one. I'm probably going to print that because that's kind of fun, a little nurgling on a dead horse. That's actually very funny. Avatar of War, another Warhammer proxy. I don't know if they have anything out for September yet. I know I already got that. They do a lot of proxies. You better keep an eye out what they're working on next for September. I do not know. They usually release stuff really late as well. Drunken Dwarf, let's see if they're still on pause. I know August was a pause for it, so there's nothing new for that. I'll still put a link down for you guys. My 3D prints for this month, I think this is August release for V Death Knight, Zernaxis. So they're doing another Death Knight part. They haven't really released a lot of the photos out yet for it. So you can get rid of that. Hell Creator that are figure one as well. We have a little chibi Asterion for this release plan. We got the I forgot what this one's called, Baldur's Gate 3 that you can pick out. Got that. We got the Sisters of Battle. I think that's from Zero Zone Zentless, Laura Croft. Forgot this her name from Delicious Dungeon for figures. I'm actually looking forward to this one because my wife and I do love Delicious in Dungeons. So if we actually able to print that, that'd be great. Blue Sky Miniature Minis is the same thing. They post really late. They do mostly orcs. Just letting you guys know. Like last month was the Orc Marine. So yeah. So if you want to do orcs, Blue Sky Minis is one of you guys really cheap. Get like a few models to get a lot of welcome packs for that as well. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.